In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clip volume in DaVinci Resolve. By the end, you will be able to quickly fix audio that is too loud or too quiet in any edit. First, go to the Edit page, look along the bottom of DaVinci Resolve for the word Edit. It sits beside pages like Cut and Fusion. Click Edit once, and the interface will switch to the familiar timeline view. You should now see your video and audio tracks stacked horizontally, with the playhead somewhere in the middle. If you do not see your timeline, check near the bottom to confirm a sequence is open. Now click the audio clip in your timeline. This will usually be a green or blue bar on one of the lower tracks, often labeled A1 or A2. Make sure you click directly on the audio section, not empty space between clips. When the clip is selected, it will highlight with a brighter outline. That highlight is your visual cue that any changes you make next will apply to this specific clip only. With the clip selected, open the inspector in the top right. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen for a button labeled Inspector. If the inspector is closed, clicking this button will slide open a panel on the right side. You will see controls for the selected clip appear there. If nothing shows up, check again that your audio clip is still highlighted in the timeline. Then click Inspector once more. Next, go to the Audio tab. Inside the inspector, you will see several tabs near the top, such as Video and Audio. Click on the one labeled Audio. The panel will update to show audio-specific settings for your chosen clip. You should now see controls like Volume, Pan, and maybe Equalizer. When you are on the correct tab, the word Audio will be highlighted, and all the controls below will relate only to sound, not the picture. Now adjust the volume slider. This slider usually sits near the top of the Audio tab and controls how loud this individual clip plays back. Move it to the right to increase volume. As you drag right, you will see the numeric value rise in decibels, and the waveform in the timeline may appear larger. Move it to the left to decrease volume. As you drag left, the number will drop and the clip will play more quietly. A helpful habit is to play the clip while you adjust and watch the audio meters on the right side. Aim to keep the peaks below 0 decibels so the sound does not distort. You can always nudge the slider in small steps, then replay the same section to check the new level. Once you release the mouse, the change takes effect immediately. There is no extra save button for this. You have just learned how to use the inspector in the edit page to raise or lower the volume of any single audio clip. If this walkthrough helped you get cleaner audio levels, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips like this.